Hey, escape artists, welcome back to Escape Land Dad, the place where we empower you to live your best life. I'm JD Gibson, and today we've got a special message that's going to light a fire on you. No more excuses, no more procrastination. It's time to take action. If you're ready for a live upgrade, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. It'll really help this old dude out. Hands up if you've ever said, I'll do it tomorrow. Yeah, me too. But here's the deal. Tomorrow turns into next week, and of course next month, and then next year. Let's break free from the procrastination trap. Here are 5 game-changing tips that will kick procrastination to the curb. The first step to beating procrastination is setting clear goals. Break down your task into manageable steps and create a roadmap. Having a clear destination makes the journey much more enjoyable and less overwhelming. Now, tip number 2, prioritize your task. Identify what's urgent, what's important, and what can wait. Tackling high priority tasks first gives you a sense of accomplishment and fuels your motivation for the rest of the day. Time to tip number 3, create a schedule. Whether it's a physical planner or a digital app, having a schedule helps you allocate time efficiently. And stick to your schedule as much as possible and watch how it transforms your productivity. Procrastination often sneaks in when tasks seem too big. So tip number 4, break them into smaller steps. It's easier to tackle bite-sized pieces, and each completion becomes a mini victory that propels you forward. And last but not least, the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, go ahead and do it immediately. It's a fantastic way to clear small tasks quickly, preventing them from piling up and, again, becoming overwhelming. It also helps to build momentum. All right, so buckle up because I've also got the tips you need to eliminate those excuses that seem to linger around all the time as well. But first, let's actually unleash the excuse busters. Excuse number 1, I don't have time. Well, excuse buster says, make time. You know what? Because you know what I'm talking about. BS that consumes you and results in nothing productive, like constantly scrolling through your news feed. Okay. Number 2, I'm not ready. Excuse buster says, start now because perfection can definitely wait. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. The only way to fail is to never get started. Okay, so really on to my top 5 tips then. First things first, let's identify those excuses. Grab a pen and paper. Write down the reasons that you often find yourself holding back. Awareness is honestly the first step towards change. Now, tip number 2, reframe your mindset. Instead of focusing on what you can't do, shift your perspective to what you can do. Turn I can't into I can find a way. Now, goals are your roadmap to success. Tip number 3 is set clear, achievable goals. When you have a destination in mind, excuses have no room to thrive. Break those goals into smaller steps, for a smoother journey. Sometimes we all need a little push. Tip number 4, get yourself an accountability partner. Whether it's a friend, family member, or colleague, having somebody to share your goals with can keep you on track. Tip number 5, create a no excuse zone. Designate a space where excuses are not welcome. It could be your workspace, corner of your room, or even a virtual space. And make it a sanctuary for productivity. Also, on a side note, and often related, is the victim mentality. Playing the victim won't get you anywhere. It's time to rewrite your story. You're not a victim, you're a warrior. Take control, set goals, and watch the transformation happen. All right, now that I'm on a roll, let's touch on complacency a little. Say goodbye to comfort zones. Complacency is the enemy of progress. And we're on a mission to combat complacency, break through those barriers, and reach new heights. And if you're not growing in all aspects of your life and just playing the maintain game, you're actually going backward, in my opinion. You're either moving forward or moving backward. Now, there's no in between, period. Now, we've got real life action takers here, and we are looking for more. Folks who decide to kick excuses to the curb and put in the work. Get inspired because you're next. If you're a self-starter who enjoys making a positive impact on others and dreams of breaking free from the daily grind, then it's time to take some action. Join us on this transformative journey towards financial freedom and the pursuit of your dreams. The future of health and wellness awaits your vision and passion. Now, I'll leave some more information in the description below if it's something that piques your interest. Now, I've got a simple blueprint for you. Define your goals, kick excuses out, and take small steps every day and celebrate those wins. Then rinse and repeat. And thanks for hanging out with me today on Escape Plan Dad. And until next time, stay unstoppable, stay hungry, and keep conquering those dreams. And remember, you are never too old or too young to get started on the path to freedom. Just get started. And I'll catch you in the next video, and I love you guys.